Maraming mga umattend sa concert ni Gary Valenciano ang tila na dismaya last December 20 nang hindi nga matapos ang nasabing concert dahil na rin kailangang dalhin sa ospital si Gary Valenciano. Dahil dito, sari-sari ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizen na sana daw ay ibalik o ma-refund ang nasabing nagastos para sa ticket. Pero bago pa man maraming tao ang mag-comment, isang mensahe ang ibinigay ni Kiana para sa kanyang ama. Ayon sa kanya, on Friday night, he got on stage while severely dehydrated from throwing up all afternoon and performed 9 songs to the absolute best of his ability, ultimately cutting the show short before being rushed to the hospital. Some may say it was a waste of time, effort and money, but what many fail to realize is that night was one of a kind, when he hasn't had enough rest for weeks. Sa puntong ito ay kinuwento ni Kiana na madalas siyang nakikita ang kanyang ama sa mga ganitong episodes, pero ilang mga netizen ang tila hindi naka-appreciate sa nasabing pangyayari, at ayon sa comment ng isang netizen, tama na daw ang drama, sa halip ay i-address ang mga issue na pumapaloob sa nasabing concert. Ayon sa comment ng isang netizen, okay, enough of the drama, refund. Nag-comment naman si Kiana dito at sinabi ang ganito, "It's not drama and you didn't pay me, so don't demand a refund from me. If you were at the show and you truly want a refund, please reach out to his team. Thank you." Ayon sa ilang netizen, sinubukan daw nilang mag-reach out sa Manila Genesis pero walang reply ang mga ito. Ayon pa sa isang netizen, hindi ka re-replyan yan kasi nga wala silang pake sa mga paying audiences. Sabi naman ni Kiana, don't forget to show your proof of payment, and lastly, you have no right to comment with this tone on my TikTok when you don't even the balls or backbone to use your real photo or name. Wag ako. Ayon pa sa isang netizen, unfortunately, believe it or not, meron po, and it's disgusting that they are more concerned on the money not on the person. Sinagot ko yung isa kasi kuha niya, gigil at inis ako. You know what? It's fine to want a refund. That's totally understandable. But the manner in which some are so demanding and demeaning and bordering harassment is what's not okay. Ito ang naging tugon ni Kiana. Narito pa ang dagdag na kwento ng isa sa mga nanood ng nasabing concert na kung saan ay tinanong pa ni Kiana kung totoong nandun ito. Ayon sa isa, he had to cut the show because he was sick for the reason even if he sang a 2 song and end the concert, I would understand. He would never stop the concert without a reason. He was sick and cannot perform even hours before the concert. The production all knew na hindi kaya ni Gary. They should just have canceled the show, period. Tanong ni Kiana, question, were you there? Sumagot naman ito, yes, 7 PM pa lamang. Opening, no one introduced you. Oh, and before ka kumanta, crowd booed when the VO announced na the show will run late. Actually, someone did introduce me. Maybe you didn't hear. Sorry to hear the crowd booed. I stand by everything I said. Dagdag pa ni Kiana, there was no way to please everyone. If he canceled, people would also complain. Thank you for coming though, and we apologize that he didn't entertain you. I think most people preferred cancellation. Please, please, please ask your Manila Genesis team to hear us out. Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang usapan ay sinabi pa ng netizen ng ganito, we all admire your dad for inspiring all of us to have faith in our father, but please as a family make a decision not to push his health. At the end of the day, to live with your family, see the apos. Narito naman ang dagdag pa na salita ni Kiana. I wish it were up to us. As his daughter, I wish he would just relax. But this is something that I cannot control. It's his decision. It's not like we force him to get on stage. Sa puntong ito ay naghihintay naman ang mga nanood ng concert kung magkakaroon ng refund, at ang ilan naman ay kinumpara ang nangyari kay Regine Velasquez noon na ang ginawa ay nagkaroon ng repeat at ipinabalik ang ticket at nagamit ito para manood uli ng concert.